All right, y'all. Episode 6, Road to 5,000. We back again. Savings account, checkings account, my interest on my savings. And right now we're doing pretty good. Show y'all my transactions these last couple days. I haven't really bought much, just stuff at CVS. Got my Arizonas. You know what I'm saying? Got my Arizonas at Dollar Tree again. Had to go get those. And then I had to get the car insurance. No, not my car insurance. No, that is not my car insurance. That's just my car payment, and that's $203. Now, going into the new year, I probably will be shopping my policies and trying to see if I get my car payment down and my car insurance down, because my car insurance went up. My car payment is the same, but Capital One, they throw offers at you to see if you want to switch over, get your car payment lower, get your APR lower. So I'm gonna probably check out and see if my car payment could be lower than the $203. It was definitely gonna shop my car insurance policy, because it was like $300 to $375. That's a big jump. From $300 to $375 is a crazy jump. So I'll probably be shopping that. And that's something I had to learn from watching, I forgot her name on Instagram, but she's a car dealership woman. I'm bugging. She's a car salesman. She sells cars at a dealership in Jersey. She's pretty well known. And she was explaining that, like, when your car insurance goes up, you can shop your policy and get it lower. So from $375, I shopped it around. I saw one spot, they were doing $240 a month. I think it was like $1,300 for every 6 months. So I'm definitely gonna be looking into switching over come the new year. And I'll probably make a whole video for that once I do it, because I want to go through the experience first before I actually do it, and actually show y'all step by step how it's done. So I'll definitely be doing that. I'm probably gonna switch over top of the new year, because paying $203, which that was a whole finesse that I got to get into. Paying $203 and then paying $375 for insurance is crazy. That is crazy. Like, it's almost $600 a month just for the car. That's excluding the gas, and that's only $20 every 2 weeks. Because I only get from point A to point B. I'm not just riding around just doing random shit. It's point A to point B, from work to home, and then from home to work. Like, that's how I move. I gotta get from point A to point B. I don't just ride around just doing random shit. So definitely gonna be looking into that. And I would tell anybody look into that. If your car insurance looks crazy, if your car payment looks a little crazy, you can shop your policy and switch everything over. So don't sit there and just be like, oh my God, my payments are so crazy. You can shop your policy around and see if you can get a lower payment. Don't sit there and just have to deal with the stress. You can go somewhere else, get a lower payment, and you're gonna be all right. Just make sure the company is legit, of course. And to see if a company is legit, you can use Experian. I'd use Experian just to see, like, other credit cards and, debit cards, bank accounts. Experian, you can run everything through Experian. They'll see if everything is legitimate. So I'm gonna go through that process. I'm gonna show y'all that once I do it. That's gonna be top of the new year, because I'm not paying damn near $600 a month for my car. And I just got it. Like, I literally just got my license in my car in June. And now you're telling me my payments go from about $500 to almost $600. I'm not doing that. I don't care how much money I make, I'm always going to look for the better deal. That's the number one thing you always got to remember. Always look for the better deal. It's not about being cheap. It's not about being frugal. It's about being smart. Always look for the better deal. Never just settle just because something is more expensive. Don't think you balling because you just got the most expensive shit. No, you always look for the best deal. Always. And that's all I really got to say, man. That was it for these last couple days. I ain't really do too much. I'm not trying to spend too much. I think making these videos have helped me do better with my spending habits. I still got the Uber Eats situation, but it's not as bad. It's not as bad. When next week when I do my payday edition video, it's not gonna be as bad. I promise that. And it's gonna be starting to dwindle down video by video. So check y'all out another day, man.